With the good and the good and the good life. With the good and the good and the good life. You put the bad in the past, now we alright. So starting off, we are going to be making rice water, which I'm sure most of you have probably heard about. It's been pretty hyped within the last year or so, although it dates all the way back to ancient Japan. Rice water is widely known for its hair growth properties, but studies show it is also able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. It even protects hair from further damage, and this is all thanks to an ingredient called inositol, which I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. Once your rice has fermented for about 12 to 24 hours, you're going to want to strain all the water out. And what I like to do is get a spray bottle and just funnel the water into the spray bottle. And then I have to add an essential oil because trust me, girl, this stuff is going to smell crazy. I either do lavender or frankincense, but I'm doing lavender for today. The way I like to apply it is when I'm in the shower, I use my spray bottle and literally saturate and completely coat my entire head of hair with this mixture, and I love it. I leave it on for about an hour. I put a plastic bag over my head and continue on with life. So when I first heard about flaxseed gel, I was hyped because I'm definitely a sucker for good natural products. And let me tell you, this stuff is amazing and great for all hair types. You're gonna want to keep stirring this stuff until it creates like a gooey, jelly, thick consistency. And then once it gets there, I like to strain mine, but you can also use a stocking cap. Both work perfectly fine. And then it will thicken as it dries. So I like to spice mine up with a few extra ingredients. I'm going in with wheat germ oil, which is composed of long chain fatty acids that give properties to relieve dryness, add softness, and moisturize your hair. However, you don't want to use this if you do have a wheat allergy. So sacha inchi oil is rich in omega-3, 6, and 9, which are extremely beneficial to hair and skin. It helps to regulate oil production and locks in moisture to keep your hair and scalp conditioned, as well as many other things. Now this stuff is going to leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and moisturized. It also promotes hair growth and gives great curl definition. So definitely try this stuff out, and if you do, let me know down below. Alright y'all, so another amazing natural hair DIY that's had some hype on YouTube due to its amazingness is the Aztec mask, and I will be combining my own cocktail of such. So we're adding ACV for strength and shine, olive oil for its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, castor oil for growth stimulation, and coconut oil for overall hair health, and a little bit of natural spring water. So since I don't measure anything, mine was a little bit too liquidy, so I had to go in and add a little bit more of the Aztec clay. And I just continue mixing that all together until I get my desired consistency, which isn't runny, but also isn't super thick either. So starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, even though my hair is looking a little bit rough, it is clean. And I'm just going to section that off, get a little bit of piece from the bottom back section. And then what I'm going to start off by doing is just getting that damp, not soaked, but just damp. And then I'm going to finger detangle until she's tangle free. Then I actually just saturate my entire head of hair with it. And don't forget to rub it into your scalp as well, because this mixture is actually very beneficial for scalp health as well as hair health. So I wait until my hair is completely dried before I rinse this out of my hair. And just beware, it does take a while to get everything out of your hair. You might want to either co-wash, or if you want to wash your hair again, you can do that, but it's gonna take a while to get this stuff out of your hair. Just a heads up. We're making 2 very simple clarifiers. The first one, all you will need is baking soda and spring water. Super simple. And the second one is super simple because all you are going to need is apple cider vinegar and, yep, you guessed it, spring water. Super simple, I know. So for this clarifier, I'm going to be parting my hair, sectioning my hair into 4s, and then once I apply the product, I'm just going to braid my hair. Clarifying is sort of like a detox for your hair and is very important. Clarifying once a month is essential because what it's designed to do is remove stubborn buildup from your hair, lift away mineral deposits, chlorine, and other chemicals that can stick to our hair. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to use a lot of hair products throughout the month, as well as co-washing a lot, and a lot of that can definitely get stuck to your scalp and your hair, so I would definitely recommend clarifying your hair at least once a month. Okay, so lastly, I got this tip from my hairstylist, and it would be to use a scrunchie or any type of like satin type made hair tie over an elastic one, because I don't know about you guys, but let me know if I'm alone or not. Every time I use elastic hair ties, I always end up with hair wrapped around my hair tie, and to me that just signals that it's ripping my hair out. When I use my scrunchies, I definitely don't have that problem, so I would recommend you guys to switch from elastic hair ties to scrunchies if you are able to, and I hope it does you well just like it's done me, because I literally don't see hair wrapped around my scrunchies like I used to with my elastic hair ties. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and I will make more videos like this. As always, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video.